Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be i5 build along with 1650 dual fan. The best part about this video is the cabinet. This cabinet is from Galax and this is Revolution 05. It comes in two color, white and black both. This is around 4,000 rupees with 3 ARGB fan in the front and one in the rear. That is a very great thing which I have seen in this 4,000 budget. I don't see cabinet which can let you fit 360mm AIO. The airflow is great. It has got vent in the front and this is metallic, not plastic. So yeah, this is very good in build quality. Also you get the tempered glass at the side and lot more. Also there are top ventilation, has got 3 USB on the top and whatnot at 4,000 rupees. So let's begin with the PC components which we're gonna use in this build. All the product link will be in the description box below. I've shared both Amazon and our website link in the description box for this video, so you can go ahead and check the live price. So starting with the processor, we have got i5-11400F. For the motherboard we have got MSI B560M Pro E. For RAM we have got Corsair Vengeance 3200 MHz 8x2, that's 16 GB total. For the SSD we have got XPG S5, this is 512 GB. For the graphic card we have got Inno 3 Dual Fan 1650, this is DDR6. For the power supply we are going with the best of the best brand Corsair CB550 Bronze. And for the cabinet we have got Galax Revolution 05, we are using the black version. This is for around 4,000 rupees. Again, great cabinet to consider around this price. So let's just go ahead and begin the PC build now.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Alright, we are done with the PC build, and as I said, all the product link are in the description box below. Do consider them to check the latest price. About the cabinet, yes, 360mm liquid cooler can be mounted in the front. 1650 is a great card still in today's date. Prices are these days a bit stable in GPU, so you can consider to buy a PC these days. I mean, yeah, so definitely This is a great PC to start for editing or gaming, and i5 11400F is priced around 12,500 rupees, which in my point of view, 6 core 12 thread and absolutely good performance. This is a great build. Do consider 11400F 1650 if you have budget around 50k. This would be a good build. So let's end the video here. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.